Do you hate it when the big muscular creatures you model don't came up the way you want them to? Do you want to learn how to make nice muscular body anatomy, mechanical parts and model great guns only in Zbrush fast and efficient? Then I welcome you to Nexttut Education's Orc Cyborg Character Creation in Zbrush course. My name is Niko and I'm a 3D character artist for games for about 10 years now. I have worked for numerous games and currently work for one of the world's most famous game companies, Gameloft. By the end of this course, you'll be able to model nice muscular orcs with armors, guns, artificial cyborg arm and a base in Zbrush from start to finish. In this course, we'll be covering topics such as sculpting the orc head, sculpting the orc muscular body, refining the head and the body with skin detail, making the 3D sketch of the whole model, making the robotic arm, making clothes, belts and armor, making a bulky gun, making a base and a monster head, polypainting the character, posing the character, rendering the character with passes, and composing a final render in Photoshop. We will start by spending 30 minutes to customize our workflow in Zbrush so we can work much faster and efficient. Then, we will make the head of our orc, where I'll explain what you should watch for when modeling head from the concept. Then, we will make some metal parts on the head and the metal skull. After that, we'll make the body, again from sphere, following our concept. After we are done with the body, we will start making 3D sketch of our model to get the correct placement of all our accessories, clothes and armors. This is a pretty important stage, in the end of which we will have a pretty good idea how our model will look when it's finished. Then, it will be time to start extracting belts, armors and boots. After that, we'll start refining all those things that we have already made and the model will start to look pretty good. Then, it will be time to do the weapon of our character, which will be a hard surface gun done entirely in Zbrush and added to the scene. We will also make a base with a monster head below the orc so he could look more grounded. Once we are happy with the overall look of our character, I will show you how to make a good pose with the transpose master in Zbrush. Finally, we'll make our render passes in Zbrush and combine them in Photoshop to achieve the best possible look for our model. I have designed this course for intermediate 3D modeling students who want to model beautiful looking, production ready, bulky and muscular characters, but they struggle to get it right because they don't find a tutorial which is step by step, no fast forward, no skip, and coming from a production artist who is doing this for years. The course is also for artists who want to speed up their workflow in Zbrush and improve their skill in making muscular male anatomy, clothes, accessories, guns and a robotic arm. This course is not designed for absolute Zbrush beginners, so I expect you to have some sort of Zbrush experience, but intermediate Zbrush users and even professionals could learn a lot from the techniques and workflow I show in this course. So if you want to model production ready fantasy characters from a concept, enroll now and take your skills to the next level.